Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty not starting. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to just allow the game through the firewall. So Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty won't launch because it is blocked in your firewall. So you need to get an exemption for the game and just allow to function it normally. So you can go ahead and do the following steps right here for you to allow the game through your firewall. So first, just press the Window plus R keys to show the run dialog box and just type the firewall.cpl and just simply press enter and click the allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. As you can see here in the photo, and just select change settings and change settings button and allow another app. And then last, just use the browser option after that, and just add the cyberpunk exe file to the firewall exception. And then next, what you can do is to update your graphics driver. So if you experience issues starting or playing your Cyberpunk, it could be due to an outdated or corrupted CPU driver. So to avoid this, we suggest updating your GPU driver regularly to the latest version. So to do that, what you can do is to just simply right click onto the Windows Start menu and choose a device manager. So here's a device manager. As you can see here in the photo, and just double click onto the display adapters, and after that right click onto the GPU and click on to update the driver from this window, and choose search automatically for drivers and just wait to complete the update. Then next, you can also disable the Steam in-game overlay feature. So if you're experiencing issue with your Cyberpunk 2077 Phantom Liberty launching, the overlay feature could be the cause. So we recommend you turning off the Steam in-game overlay to troubleshoot the problem. So to do that, what you can do is to just first open your Steam client, click onto the Steam on the menu and choose settings option. After that, just select the in-game on the left pane and toggle off the overlay while in the game. So here's the overlay feature, so just toggle that off. And after that, just restart the Steam client and try to launch Phantom Liberty to check if the issue is gone. And the next, what you can do is to just launch the game in the windowed mode. So try launching the game in window display mode to see if it helps. Often running Phantom Liberty in full screen mode on a PC with average hardware can cause launch issues. So to do that, first launch the Steam client and go to the library. And after that, just right click onto the Cyberpunk and select properties. And in the general section, click on to the launch options. Enter the following command, like right here, so windowed dash no border. And then here's, for example, in the photo. And then just try rerunning the game to check if it is launching correctly. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. Hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.